Hello, sound check 1 2. Okay, so this is the continuation of our first lesson, no? Basically, ang gagawin natin is uh, after ma-reach ni progress bar yung 100% is automatically magko-close siya and then magpa-pop up yung uh, welcome interface, or let's say your login form or login interface. This is very quick lang and this is very easy, no? Madali lang siya gawin. So syempre kailangan meron tayong another form for the same, for the same package. So I will click, okay, click new, and then JFrame form. uh, I will name it as like uh, welcome, okay, welcome, and then finish, okay. And for example, no, hindi mo natin siya de-designan, so I will place here a label wherein I can I will edit the text like welcome. Yan lang, simple lang muna, no. And let's try to change the font size. Okay. So ito yung tatawagin ko. Okay? Ito yung tatawagin ko doon sa loob ni ni progress bar. So in this case, pupunta tayo dito sa loading screen natin. Ito siya. If you still remember. Uh, all we need to do is dito sa bago mag-catch, okay, i-dispose natin siya. Okay? So, let's try, no? I-dispose ko lang siya. Like, ibig sabihin nun, close. Ibig sabihin ng dispose, close. Now, kapag na-reach na yung 100, let's try, no? Run muna natin siya. So, run file. Okay, so naglo-load. Dapat magko-close yan. Ayun, nag-close siya. Because we have this post function. So, yan yung ibig sabihin. Now, after niya mag-close, ano yung susunod? So, basically, tatawagin na natin si si welcome. Okay, so paano siya tinatawag? So, I will place here a blocks of code like pop up new form. Okay, so this pop up, we will place it as, kasi welcome yung bagong form natin eh. So, ilalagay natin dito welcome. So, welcome new form, okay, is equals to new welcome. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. And then, new form, isa-set visible natin siya as set visible as true. Yan, ganyan lang siya kasimple, guys. So, let's see anong problem natin. Let's see. Ito yung design natin. So, all we need to do, Okay. So, nadoble yung equals. Now, after this, let's try. Dapat, ayun nga, pag nag-close si loading, si progress bar, mag-open si itong another form which is yung welcome. So, let's try, run. Ayun. So, ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Okay, so I hope that you learned here in our quick lesson. See you next time. Signing off.